everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and in today's video I'm going to be tackling the dishes and rearranging some things in my kitchen, moving my coffee bar and some other appliances around, and then even moving some cabinets. This is also going to be a part of the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home. She gets a bunch of us together weekly on Tuesdays to share tiny tidies to give you that motivation you need to tackle things around your home. And this was one of those tiny tidies that led to more tiny tidies. I needed to tackle my dishes, and then I had an idea to move the coffee bar around, give us some more space in the kitchen, and then I was like, well, I need to rearrange the cabinets to work with this as well. So you're going to see all of that. I will have a link to Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist down below in the description. So definitely go check out the playlist because you're going to get tons of cleaning motivation, tiny tidies from lots of different content creators here on YouTube. And hopefully it will help you tackle your to-do list too. It has been a while since I have participated in the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab just because I haven't really had the motivation to film little tiny tidies. We have been getting back into the groove of homeschool. If you are new here, I'm a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 9-year-old, a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old. So here on my channel, I love to share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around and join us here, and hopefully we can inspire you along the way and we can have some fun. I love how this kitchen turned out. It is so much simpler, and we have been keeping up on the cleaning. It's so hard to keep up on the dishes and the messes, but I actually moved some things around off camera too, which you'll see in the end. But we moved our garbage can from behind our door and put our recycling bins behind the door now, so I don't have to look at all of the paper clutter or the cardboard clutter that doesn't get into the bins, and the garbage can is like easier to get at as well, so that's been super nice. Just changing your space around a little bit can definitely make a difference and give you that motivation to want to clean your space and just help overall. So don't be afraid to move things around and freshen them up, give yourself some more space, and try new things if your space is not working for you. It is totally worth it, and you can always move it back if it doesn't work out. It was so good to give this area a deep clean too. Sometimes you don't always get to behind the appliances, so moving things around can help you get to the back of the appliances if you have not.
You can put away all of your money, you won't have enough. 'Cause you can have the world and still be lonely if you don't have love. And I'm saying love is the most important thing in the world. Hey, love is the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing. You should take the time to get to know me if you want a friend, a real friend. But it's okay, I'll be here if you want me till the very end of this song. 'Cause love is the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing in the world. Love is the most important thing, yeah. And I pray that you live long enough
The video is coming to an end. As you can see, I'm still working on my cabinets. I took everything out and rearranged it, put it into the opposite cabinets here, and everything just fit so much nicer. I didn't include all of the footage just because I think it was easier for me to process while I was not filming, but everything makes so much more sense now. Off camera, I added our cereal dispensers, and then I'm going to show you that, and then we add cereal later. We needed to go to the grocery store. We had these out in our cabinet a while back, but needed to put them away. Well, we had a mouse in the house, and thankfully that is over, so we can put the cereal dispensers out for the kids again, and then the toaster is there, and hopefully we can get some bread made in our bread maker soon. But this is the kids zone. They've got their bowls and their cups up top. And then I've got my coffee bar area, and it just feels like we have so much more space, so it's so awesome. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist linked down below for more Tiny Tidies. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.